Hi guys, welcome to my video work number 5. The Saturday today I will talk about how I can make the boiled chicken. Now let's do it. At first, we need to choose the chicken. So choose the healthy chicken. Silky feather closer to the party. Your material. We need chicken, ginger, turmeric, onion, pepper, chili powder, salt. The step to do. Step 1. After cleaning chicken feather, we drop the salt, both inside and outside, and then drain to absorb. Step 2. Put the chicken in the pot, then pour water over the chicken. The colder water will make the chicken cooked from the inside out, and the skin will be brittle and not turned. Step 3. After pouring water about 5 minutes, turn the fire down to 5 minutes, then turn off and let about 20 minutes eat cooked chicken. Step 4. Remove chicken to drain. Make yellow chicken by turmeric. Spread one layer on skin. Chicken skin will have a glossy golden layer to look very attractive. And finally, step 5. Put the chicken on plate. Add a pig, 1 rose. Add a plate of salt, lemon, chili, and a little lemon leaf to enjoy. Okay, that's all about how I can make the boiled chicken. Thanks for watching and listening. See you on next video. Bye bye and good night. Thank you.